This is Husky here. Welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video. Now, I have my friend Dustin here. Hey, Dustin.
What's up, Mike?
You guys know Dustin. He's been in a few of my videos. Had this last minute idea that I've haphazardly thrown together, so I knew Dustin would be perfect because this is not organized at all. Most of you know that Ro has been on the show Nailed It, and if you haven't seen it, it's on Netflix. She's in season 3, episode 4, Prehistoric Bakes. She was a guest judge. It was amazing. But on Nailed It, you get 2 hours to recreate an insane cake. So I thought, why don't we follow a Nerdy Nummies tutorial, but with a twist, we only have 2 hours to complete it from scratch.
What?
Have you baked before?
I definitely, with my mom when I was a kid, maybe those cookies with like from the can and you...
Pre-made cookies, didn't even make the dough.
Yeah, but they were delicious.
I've actually helped Ro bake quite a bit, but I'm still not great. And I don't know where most of the stuff is in the kitchen either, so that's probably gonna slow us down.
You live here.
All right, so the tutorial we're gonna be following is Ro's unicorn cake. And we have 2 hours to do it from scratch. We're making the cake from scratch too. And then when Ro gets home later today, she is going to judge our creation.
Oh.
On that show, she tried to be really sweet to people, so maybe, maybe she'll be sweet to us. To channel our inner Ro, let's put our finger out and we'll do let's get started on 3.
Oh, yes.
I think that's the key. I mean, I think it's, let's do both hands so we have double the row. Let's get started! Here we go, you guys. Can we do it? Let us know in the comments below. First of all, do you think we can do it? Second of all, on a scale of 1 to 10, how good is it gonna be? And then we'll check at the end. All right, so 2 hours is on the clock. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's do it. So we gotta open up. I actually didn't even open the video yet, so we got... The battery's really low too. I definitely should have got the charger.
The computer's not charged.
Oh my, there are so many ingredients. Okay, so I think we should start with getting all the ingredients. Get the measuring cups, they're over there. They're in one of those drawers.
What?
2 cups of all-purpose flour, that's that. And we need bowls.
We need bowls?
I guess maybe
1 cup right here. Hold on, do it. Okay, just do it.
I mean, that's close enough. It's supposed to be leveled off, but it's fine. 1.5 cups of this, but I don't know if it goes in that bowl where it's too far ahead.
You don't know if it goes in the bowl? What are we doing? Mike!
1.5 cups of this, of the sugar.
In this bowl?
In this one, I guess. 1 stick salted butter at room temperature. There's no time. Here it comes.
Feed me.
Wait, anything else on the fridge?
We need 5 large egg whites. Is that the same as a normal egg?
No joke, only 5 eggs in the fridge.
If we drop one, we lose.
Whole milk.
Got it.
And shortening, I think, should be in there.
What's shortening?
I don't know.
You have plenty of milk for me. What do you want?
It's not actually milk.
Look, dude, cultured buttermilk. That's right.
Soy milk. That's almond milk.
You don't have milk?
Wait, I don't understand.
You actually don't have milk?
Where's the milk? Buttermilk. We just gotta go with buttermilk.
All right, shortening.
And then shortening. Is shortening in the fridge or shortening in the pantry?
I don't know.
Pantry.
I don't know, should I Google it?
Okay, well, 100 hours later, we got the shortening. 1 teaspoon almond extract, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, 2 teaspoons baking powder. Wait, vanilla and what? Almond?
Almond, vanilla.
Black cherry extract?
No, we need almond.
Blueberry
vanilla.
extract?
Mike, almond, vanilla. Oh, spearmint extract.
Oh, that sounds really good, actually. Wait, almond?
Smells like spearmint.
No, we already got almonds.
No, we have vanilla.
No, vanilla, almond.
We got it, we're good.
Baking powder.
Got it. Copy, stat, doc.
It's labeled. We need sprinkles.
Boom, baby, sprinkles.
Okay. Oh, thank goodness for her organization.
You're welcome. We're whisking together our dry ingredients.
This is not a unit of measurement. 1/8 teaspoon.
That's gotta be 1/8.
I mean, maybe a little bit more. I mean, you can't have too much salt, right? We got it.
All right, he's got it. Whisk together the dry ingredients. How much butter?
The stick, right, at room temperature?
The whole stick?
Yeah, just throw it in there. And I don't know if that's the right size stick, but that's what we got.
You have the shortening, pass it to me, Mike.
Wow. Did you measure this correctly? You didn't just scoop it.
I measured 2 cups of sugar. 2 cups.
Okay, I mean,
right? Oh wait, dude.
Right? 2 cups sugar.
I did, dude.
No, wait, 1.5 cups. Did you 1.5?
No, I don't think I did. What if I just scoop 1/2 of the half out? You were making me nervous, man. I don't know.
It was 2 cups. It's 2 cups.
It'll
it tastes
just be
better.
sweet.
It tastes
It'll
better.
be better.
We need an electric mixer.
Okay. This thing right here. Damn.
I mean, we could do that, or we can do it by hand. She's doing it by hand. I don't know where it is.
Find the electric mixer, please, Mike. I'm doing work here.
Get these on standby.
Bam. Oh. Yeah, you're mixing that perfectly, Mike.
I feel like I'm drilling into wood. This is why it's gotta be room temperature, dude.
This is why you gotta work out more, man.
Can you just come stand over here for heat?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, guys, make sure you do room temperature butter. You gotta start cracking eggs.
Okay.
And you know how to do egg whites?
I know. You put you put the egg in, you take a spoon, you toss out the yolk. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take off the top shell, and I'm just gonna hold the yolk like so. Look at that, bam. Oh, dude!
My hands are clean. I just gotta mush this with my hands. There is no, it is ice cold.
No!
Dustin!
Literally, the yolk is mixed in with the whites. Can we just go with fork? Is this how you do it?
Okay, so you do that, and then you go back and forth between the two halves.
Oh!
I warmed the butter in my hands when it was in the bowl because I didn't know what else to do because it just was not mixing. I mean, I think this is working.
Is it?
Dustin, no pressure, but this is our last egg. And it is so yellow in there, Dustin. That was supposed to be egg whites. Okay, we need some eggs. This is a very satisfying shot here.
Yo, let me do some of the thing.
No, we don't have time.
Dude!
Wait, preheat the oven. I don't know what it's supposed to be, but just get it going.
We're at 375. The oven light is on and blue.
Add in your egg whites one at a time. I've combined them all in a bowl.
One at a time?
Eyeball it. Bloop.
Are you ready?
Yeah. How much? That was
one.
Bloop it again.
Bloop! Oh, okay, that was easily more than one.
Okay.
We need 3/4. So that would be 3 of these.
This is looking so chunky.
What do you mean? It looks great. Well, you're not mixing it properly.
This is not a technique you'll see Ro use. It's of my own invention. Yeah, get the 1/4.
Okay, 1/4.
And then do 1 1/2 of those. I think the math.
Of what?
Of the buttermilk. Okay, so full
That's
one.
another full one?
That's not full.
I'm perspiring, Mike.
Yeah, same. This is
How much time we got?
It's already been half an hour. And they take half an hour to bake. Yeah, get it all in there. I feel like this is not looking right. If it works, it works.
That looks delicious.
I've always wanted to say this. Batter's up.
Can we taste it yet?
Yeah, we should.
Oh, that tastes so good,
It's
dude.
so grainy. Magic, add the magic.
That is fun.
Magic added.
We definitely missed adding the extracts in.
It should have gone on the wet part.
2 teaspoons vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon almond extract.
Okay, 1 teaspoon. How much of the vanilla?
Cookie's here. She realized there's some baking going on. Here, we gotta
Here, let me hold the dog.
baby-
You want me
yeah, no, you do that. We gotta come over here. The cord's too short.
Move!
Wait, why is it turning?
It's turning some funky color, dude.
Oh, that does not look good.
It's blue, dude.
Okay, here, take this.
Okay, hold on.
Take this.
What am I supposed to do with this?
Normally, Ro will line these with the circle liner. I don't have time for that, so we're just gonna use a lot of spray.
Oh, watch it.
Whew.
That's more than 1.
You think so?
Maybe, I don't know. 350?
What'd you set it to?
350? No, 375.
Yeah, turn it down, turn it down.
30 to 35 minutes until the tops are golden brown.
This is hot. They're going in here. It is an absolute disaster here. So we're gonna clean this up.
You're gonna clean it up.
Maybe we could start on the decorations while it's baking.
Can you do that?
Got some icing ready. I have more bowls of it over here. But we need to dye this.
How many drops?
I don't know. Oh, that was probably too much. I don't know if these are the right colors. I just kind of grabbed what we had.
This is hard. Glasses.
Okay.
Pipping bags.
Way bigger than we need. Oh, shoot, tips. Where do we keep the tips? Hey, we just need to do this.
They just poke a hole in it?
We kind of do one of these type deals. I've seen Ro do this
Why
before.
don't I get a tip?
Oh. Scoop it out of there.
Okay, scooping.
And get it in here without getting it everywhere. Like I just got it on me.
Look at that scooping power.
Then we gotta figure out the fondant. Fondant. I need to push that.
Yes.
Woo! Snip the tip.
Right there?
Right there. I definitely did not overfill. That's something I'm always paranoid about.
Are the tops goldeny brown yet?
I mean, I want to peek. I don't want to lose all of our heat though. No, not yet.
Oh,
Whoa, it fogged up the screen. Here you go, turn around.
wow! Ow, the fondant hit me in the nipple.
I remember from before, we needed to use the highlighter gold. Look how tiny it is. $9 for this whole thing.
What is it?
It's gold.
It's
goldish.
It's gold.
Okay, Dustin, come on your way. Roll that baby out. We're doing the decorations now to try and save time because we still got, how much time are we left on baking?
8 minutes, 58 seconds.
8 minutes, so that's time we cannot waste. No joke, I need you to roll that out.
It's like turning into a worm.
No, I don't want to, you're not doing the work. Why is it so difficult to roll that out?
I don't know, Mike.
Blueberry Muffin's here to check in on everybody. Blueberry.
Hey, Bloobs.
You want to say hi? So roll it out. That looks terrible.
How thin?
Okay, now cut out 2 of each.
2 of each?
Yeah.
From which side?
It kind of looks like those.
It doesn't matter which side.
It's not even.
You're using that upside down. Okay, go on. Now peel them away like a little cookie.
Okay.
There we go. Let's see. I peel that away.
Ear and the whole horn gold.
Ooh, hey, yo, Mike, check it out.
Oh, so cool. Now you have to layer these, the small ones on the big ones. To look like an ear. So you can, oh, these are so thick.
Like that?
Like this, yeah.
That's beautiful.
I think that's it. So this is gonna be my horn. This does not look as good as Rose. This horn is way too heavy. Here we go, let's keep this going. I feel ish.
It's a good job.
Wait, I just realized before we decorate, we're supposed to let the cakes cool. I think it's still just a hair. Oh yeah, that one's still wet.
Almond.
All right, put a little bit in there. Oh, this looks so cool. It looks like liquid metal. Let's just test it really quick because we gotta do it on the horn.
Oh, dude, nice.
What? Oh,
it's
it's too much extract. That ratio was incorrect. It's not sticking. If it doesn't look good in one spot, just make it look bad everywhere, and then
Pretty decent.
it looks intentional. We're gonna put these into the freezer. As you can see, we already have lots of other cakes here. We gotta take these cakes out.
Oh, okay, coming.
We really gotta cool these off as much as we can. All right, close, close, close.
Boom.
Dustin, this is your first ever food art.
Here we go, dude.
Just the inner workings of the ear.
Why is it not?
I don't know, I think I got the ratio wrong. Oh, it's getting there.
You kind of spackle it.
Okay, now don't mess it up.
No!
We've got the cakes in the freezer.
Okay.
We got 45 minutes.
This is why we hold on. Wait, no. Dan?
Oh! No time cheating,
Nope.
no hacks, no lies. I don't want to say I'm feeling good. I'm feeling okay.
Do you think Ro is gonna grate like how?
I'm feeling great. All right, not bad.
Okay, I
now
messed it up.
when I said not bad, that means stop. I don't know if these are gonna pop out of here. I really hope that they do. I mean, ooh, these are cold.
Yeah.
That 10 minutes did us well. Uh-oh. There we go. Ooh. I mean, you can kind of knock on it, but it's not bad. It's a little overcooked down here, but I'm not bad. I've seen good bakers use these large knives to level. I don't know if this is gonna work. I do not want to get my fingers.
You're fantastic at this.
Woo!
Yo, can I eat that?
I'm worried about trim it. Oh, almost cut myself.
Careful.
That's why you don't cut toward yourself. I'm just gonna stop cutting. We'll make up for it with the icing. First of all, we gotta try.
Yes, please.
Just maybe
So
just take
hungry.
a nice soft little piece out
I
of here.
can't take a...
Why does that taste like a poppy seed muffin?
I was schooled in the ways of cake leveling.
Man, you're really going fast.
Oh.
Dustin!
Okay, I think I messed up.
Why is that so thin?
Oh, so bad. Can I try again?
Dustin, we're not making a sandwich.
Now add the clear and cover with icing, just like the
Nice. I've seen her do this before. I think I can handle it. You just do this. You don't even need a turntable for this, but it just makes it easy.
Look at his level of focus.
I'm trying, dude. You know what, Dustin? I'm just gonna let you do the top. I don't know that we trust you just yet.
What do you mean? Do we put last one?
Yeah, so put yours, but you flip this one upside down.
Oh, it's perfect that way.
Oh, no, it's really sliding.
Hold up. There we go.
Pro tip, put icing on the board. It keeps it from sliding around, which is causing a major headache right now. How does she do this so good? I think part of it is that we over baked it.
We should have set it at 350. I knew it.
Oh, I know. We tried to cheat. Have you guys ever frosted a cake before? Because this is really, really tricky.
Double fisting it.
Great, good contribution to the team here, Dustin.
What, you're not letting me do anything.
Let's try a bigger spatula. I got a same size spatula, but this one is Ro branded, so let's see.
Here, look, more frosting.
I mean, if we ignore the one side, I feel like I'm doing drywall or like some sort of home renovation. I'm freaking out.
Just get out of here, Mike.
Stop it. It's getting so much worse. No, you got it. Here we go, catch! Oh. Are you ready to pipe a rosette?
Let's pipe.
I think you go around. Woo!
Hey!
That is a rosette if I've ever seen one.
Look at that rosette.
Here we go, we're gonna do another one. Oh, woo! We're making an epic main, so I need to explain this to you so we're on the same page. So it comes here and then it all comes like down one side and off.
Yes.
That one's really droopy, you guys. Oh man. They were so much better on top. Why is it so difficult on the side? This was looking way better.
All right, let me do something. Like here?
I don't know.
How do I, just give me a little.
Sure, it looks great.
That doesn't look good at all.
That looks like a turd. That looks like a little poop.
Shut up, Mike.
I mean,
this is the wrong one, isn't it?
We pooped all. I think this is not the right tip.
Yeah, this is definitely the right one, Michael.
Oh no.
Yes.
All right, not the worst. Oh man, why is baking so difficult? These dollops are really adding some
Dollops are great. It's
extra dimension that this cake desperately needed. Our unicorn kind of looks punk. 7 minutes?
Oh, we are not looking good.
Oh, jeez.
What?
Oh wait, no, she did 3 of them. What? I don't think I have the right color. This wasn't the right tip.
10 minutes?
No, not 10. We got 5 minutes. Careful. I'm trying so hard right now. Uh-oh. Her mascara's running. Oh man.
Oh.
She's gorgeous. Horn has icing on it. Half of it's not painted. There's 2 minutes left. And the last ear is going on right now. Dustin, we actually did it. We actually made a cake. We're gonna clean up a little bit because I think that's gonna give anyone a heart attack with how messy it is in here. And we're gonna see. A little behind the scenes. This is the amount of dishes just from that one cake. Thankfully doing the dishes is not included in the time limit because we would be in a lot of trouble. This is gonna take longer to do than making the cake. Here is our attempt at a unicorn cake. I think it's overbaked. I think it's too sweet. I think it's falling apart a little bit. Our horn is a little lopsided. Our ears are very thick, but you know what? She's got personality, she's got sass. She's a little punk rocking unicorn. And for 2 hours, this is what we made, and I've never baked a cake, I don't think, in my entire life.
Look at these ears.
Wow, really just taking it back to the ears every
Well, it's
time.
really the only part I felt confident about helping with.
Now for the big reveal.
Oh, wow, you made a unicorn cake. Wow, this is actually a very successful nailed it situation. This is the biggest unicorn horn I've ever seen. It's like taller than the cake. I really like the effort. I mean, you got all these different swirls and you even got the eyes. This is great piping. I'm like really proud. The gold is not on the back.
I mean,
but
I was hoping you would look at that side.
okay, but we gotta taste it.
Oh,
right
geez,
here
hold
in
your
the back. Oh wow. I mean, let's see here, guys.
Okay.
Beautiful.
Okay.
Here we go. Cheers. It's actually not bad. I mean, it's cooked. It's not too dry. It's very sweet.
Yeah. Dustin may have added an extra ½ cup of sugar by accident.
Yeah.
What do you think of the color of some of the
Love it. Bright, vibrant, pretty.
Pretty,
I love all the pastels. They all taste good. This is a really sweet cake. All in all, I'm gonna give you this is like
1 out of 10.
I'm gonna give you. I give it a 7. I love this. It's just this horn is crazy. This is huge.
Bro, what do you think of the ears though?
They're cute. You guys, you should let us know which Nerdy Nummies you want these guys to try next. And next time, I think you should do it even faster. I think we give you an hour because you did so good with this cake. Like you even have fondant details.
All right, let us know which Nerdy Nummy should we attempt in 1 hour.
This is so good. You guys are pros. I'm like almost disappointed this looks so good.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video. Thanks to Ro for
thanks, you guys.
tasting
you guys
our
are so
creation.
good.
And thanks to Dustin for hanging out and making this wonderful thing with me. All right, bye, you guys.
If you'd like to watch any other videos,
You can click up here.
Or up here.
Yep, or there, or there, or there.
Blueberry Muffin
or
says
there.
click up here.
And Cookie
This one's
says,
better.
Up there.
This one's so much better than Dustin's.
slap it, high five, high five, high five.